I bet you didn't know your Acadia's push button might not be the problem at all. Sometimes the fix is easier than you think. Here's what to check first. First things first. Make sure your key fob is inside the car. If it's not, your Acadia won't start, no matter how many times you press the button. Next, check the battery in your key fob. A weak or dead battery is a super common reason this system fails. Try using your backup key fob if you have one. Still nothing. Make sure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal when you hit the button. If the brake lights don't come on, there could be an issue with the brake switch. Another thing, listen for a clicking sound when you press start. If you hear clicking, but the engine doesn't turn over, it might mean your car's battery is low or dead. And don't forget, sometimes the car's in gear and not in park. That'll stop it from starting too. If none of these steps work, it could be a bigger problem like a blown fuse or an issue with the starter. That's when it's time to call a professional. So remember, check your key fob, your brake, and your battery. Simple steps can save you a lot of time and stress.